In assessing the U.S. Navy readiness, the Center for Strategic and International Studies says that without a big, powerful U.S. Navy, China will be more aggressive to its smaller neighbors, and it can project more power, and it won't be deterred simply by the presence of U.S. ships. Now, let's talk about China's fleet size, right? So we're going to look at the United States. All right, so, from 2000 to 2020, it's been pretty steady. What's it projected to be based on the Office of Naval Intelligence? Well, it's going to basically just grow a little bit, but it's pretty steady. But China, look at this. They had a rapid rise. They actually overtook the United States in number of ships. So numerically, they had the biggest Navy in the world, and that was back in about 2015. But look at that projection. That gap is basically expected to double, 2 times that gap, about 2040, right? So you might imagine, well, okay, so maybe China just builds smaller ships. Is that what's happening? Well, let's see. So you go on and you look at some of this data from a different angle. Now you're talking about the tons of ships. Look at this. U.S., again, kind of level. All right, U.S. projections, it's pretty level, right? But China, look at this, and a rapid expansion there in that decade, 2010 to 2020, right? And now look at their projections. You see they're closing that gap. It's not hard to see that if you just extended that out, you're talking basically about 2050, you're going to see that they're basically going to overtake the Navy, the United States Navy, and that's in the total tonnage, right?